Like we said, it's out of this world. The Nakamichi Dragon, in a league of its own. The system of the future. The future of home audio.
Let's get started our review of Nakamichi Dragon 11.4 6 soundbar. The Nakamichi Dragon 11.4 6 is an exceptional soundbar that stands out from the crowd, with a total of 21 channels and 2 subwoofers, along with a set of rear speakers. This is the most advanced soundbar on the market. Nakamichi has a long history of naming their flagship models after the Dragon, starting with the cassette tape player launched in 1982. In 1986, they introduced the Dragon CT, a unique turntable, and in 1996, they released a wooden-cased CD player called the Dragon CD at CES 2023. While other soundbar manufacturers are showcasing compact all-in-one soundbars, Nakamichi is taking a different approach with the Dragon 11.4 6, a massive soundbar system that offers an impressive 21 channels of audio. Set to arrive in the second quarter of 2023 with a price tag of $3,499, the Nakamichi Dragon has already won a CS Innovation Award. Its 58-inch wide chassis is best suited for 60-inch TV and larger. The soundbar packs 31 drivers, including 6 up-firing drivers, 4 subwoofers, and 9-pound bipolar surround speaker cabinets. The 4 up-firing drivers in the main soundbar unit are angled at 10 and 20 degrees to better render vertical and overhead sound objects. Meanwhile, the up-firing drivers in the surround speakers can be rotated up to 180 degrees, allowing for optimal sound quality in any room shape. Overall, the Nakamichi Dragon 11.4 6 soundbar is a high-end and powerful system that offers a unique and immersive audio experience. With a total of 21 channels, 2 subwoofers, and rear speakers, it stands out from other soundbars on the market. It supports popular audio formats such as Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, and DTS X Pro, and has innovative features such as up-firing drivers and a perfect height mechanism. However, this system comes at a premium price of $3,499 and has a massive 58-inch wide chassis, making it best suited for larger TV. Overall, the Nakamichi Dragon 11.4 6 is an impressive soundbar for those who are seeking top-notch audio and are willing to invest in it.
In our pursuit for audio excellence, we created something out of this world. Meet the most legendary creature in the audio kingdom. The Nakamichi Dragon badge represents trailblazing technological breakthroughs and unprecedented audio performance. Each and every Dragon changed the audio industry completely, reaching a unique cult status among audio connoisseurs and collectors who have supported us all these years. Half a decade ago, we embarked on a journey to build a revolutionary audio product that would live up to the legacy of Dragon. We relentlessly pursued our dream of bringing a state-of-the-art Dolby Atmos theater into every home. A wireless system that adapts to any room, with a setup time of as little as 15 minutes. A quantum leap in performance, Nakamichi's wireless plug-and-play system is a tour de force that performs above and beyond in every technical dimension conceivable. A pursuit like this has never been attempted before. With 11 surround channels, 4 wireless subwoofers, 6 up-firing speakers, and as the market's first plug-and-play system integrated with DTS X Pro, an advanced spatial audio technology delivering the most inclusive and immersive surround soundscape possible. The Dragon unleashes detail in its purest form. Powerful, crystal clear, perfectly positioned, and more lifelike than anything you've experienced. But how? Like we said, it's out of this world. The Nakamichi Dragon, in a league of its own. The system of the future of home audio.